So, Vigewell is an online store currently promoting products like its glycolic exfoliating body stick, with claims about improving rough and uneven skin texture. But before buying, there are a few things the marketing doesn't really emphasize. The biggest concern is transparency. Independent checks note that Vigewell is a very new store with limited independent feedback, while its website mainly provides a Proton Mail contact address rather than a phone number. I'd also pay close attention to the checkout and refund terms. The site's refund policy requires used products in original packaging. Customers generally pay return shipping, and cancellations are only allowed within 12 hours. So, is Vigewell a scam? I wouldn't make that claim without stronger evidence, but there are enough warning signs that I'd research the company carefully before buying. Overall, don't let the discounts and impressive customer claims make the decision for you. Check independent reviews, the exact refund terms, and any recurring payment conditions before spending your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.